Hi, my name is Stefano Caposeco. I'm the Director of Product Marketing at Westinghouse Lighting. Today we're going to talk about LED recessed lighting solutions. Depending on your installation, you may already have a recessed can in your ceiling, and we have solutions for that, which could be as simple as an LED light bulb or swapping out the trim and installing a retrofit kit. And they come in either round or square, depending on your application. All of our solutions come in different sizes, 4, 5, or 6 inch, depending on the size of the can or requirement of light output. And they come in different color temperatures, ranging anywhere between 2700 degree Kelvin all the way to 5000 degree Kelvin. If you have a brand new installation where you don't have a recessed can or trim, these are more appropriate. They're self-contained units, all in one, has the wiring compartment, the LED, and the trim. Let's talk about each individual unit. This is our 5 to 6 inch recessed downlight, and it's a step trim. Comes with complete instructions, a pigtail that installs in the recessed can socket with a plug, and that plug has a mating part there, and torsion springs, and a trim and unit as one piece. First, we want to remove the bulb, and then remove the trim. And remove the socket from the trim. Now that we removed the old components, we want to install the pigtail, which is supplied with the trim. Make the connection between the two plugs. I'm going to squeeze the springs together and push them into the recessed can. Tuck the wires inside the can and push up the trim. And turn the power on. There you have it.